Good evening, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial is going to be on a CSS trick that I found from a YouTube channel called Dark Code, which is right here on the left hand side of the screen. I commented this into there so people know that I want to give them a shout out because they came up with this idea. I just went through their video and I wanted to learn how to do it. So basically, over here on the right is the web page, and it just basically, the purpose of it is it's going to animate it of like an eye shutting or your eyelid closing. So if I hover over the eye, it closes. So basically that's how that works. So how do you do this? If you come over here to the left, it will show the index file, and we got three divs. One parent div, which is called I, and two child divs underneath that. One with a class of shut, the other one with a class of ball. And so let's go over to the CSS file. So basically, here I'm on the left, the body tag. I'm just basically setting the background color and the margin of padding to 0. So if the I class is the main container that's going to hold the other two child divs. And basically what this main container is, it's going to put the div in the middle of the page, as you can see here on the right. I'm just hovering over it, so that's why this eyelid is closing. But basically the background color is white, as you can see, and I'm rotating this div so to be 45 degrees. So basically if I took that away, it would change this to like a diamond shape. So I'm just using a rotate so it gives this a look of an eye. And if you go down here a little bit down in the CSS code, the border radius is 75% for the top left and bottom right corners of the div, of the main div. And the 0 value, I'm passing it, which applies to the top right and the bottom left corners of the main div. And the overflow of hidden is set because of the fact that I don't want the overflow of this div. If I cut it out, you'll see in a second what that will do. See what that did? So what I don't want is this little extra here on the right to be hidden. So let's paste that back, save it. There we go. Now let's look at the next two divs, one called the ball. So just if you look over here on the left of the screen, you'll see what I'm doing to style that particular div. And basically what this is doing is creating this, the eye, the pupil of the eye, which is the inner circle, and the outer circle is the border, basically. So that's what this border property does to that. And this background color is going to be this reddish color, which acts as the eyelid. Now the shut class is basically contained within a span tag. And if you look over here to the right, basically it's going to paint this this particular div with this color, which is kind of like a red color. And if we come down here to the shut span class, it's gonna create this effect up above here before you hover over it. And then if you come down here, over here, I'm looking at the code on the left. I'm doing I'm targeting the I class and the hover selector, and this greater hand sign, greater than symbol, just basically says that we're gonna select only the elements that are direct descendants only of the I class. So basically, when I hover over this, I'm going to make the height of that div to be 100%. And since you have a transition like this where it slowly shuts the eyelid or brings it back up, is because I have this transition property here. Hopefully this tutorial will help you better understand how to use many properties in CSS and how you can become really creative on what you could do for a particular website. Again, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot more of these trainings in the future to help you become better at building web pages. Again, my name is Keith All. Thanks again for stopping by. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.